Hey, my precious roselings, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dipshika, and today we're gonna have a first chit chat video because I was free today and I thought of filming. So, yeah, I wanted to tell you guys about my first week of university because, a lot happened and I want to discuss everything with you guys. If you're someone who's going to university right now or in university right now, you can relate. And yeah, for the people who are going to universities or any other college, this is actually a video for you. Or like, what can you expect? Like in your first week. So, yeah, let's go. So, when I first came here, I was very excited. Like, of course, everyone is excited. Like, come on, this is a very first experience. So, on the orientation day, okay, so on the orientation day, which I didn't film because trust me, there was nothing to film because we were just sitting in a place for 6 hours straight listening to lectures, and trust me, the only important thing that we heard was the exam policies, which was told us at the end of the entire orientation. And the best part was actually Raghav Jayal showing up, so which I mentioned in my last video. So that's the thing that happened in the orientation. We had like orientation nights, they were also fun. Of course, we had concerts were of course one of the best parts of it, but the fact that I didn't film it is only because we had to walk too much because this campus is huge, and the autos are like literally nowhere available when you actually need them. That's the orientation. Now we're gonna talk about the first day, which I actually filmed and uploaded, and you guys loved it. Thank you so much. And I met a lot of you guys in my hostel telling me that you guys saw my video. So thank you. Thank you for subscribing as well. So yeah, I'm grateful for it. Okay. So the first day went like that only. I didn't film much because as I said, like the phones are not allowed. Now I'm gonna tell you guys about the frustrations that I've been facing before I get into other things. Because it is very important to rant it out, and trust me, you guys are someone like I can talk to. So here I am. First of all, you guys remember that in the last video we went to check the laundry and we were told that like a single pair would cost us 25 rupees. Like, calculate the entire expense of the month for just laundry. Of course, I didn't take it. I am still washing my own clothes. I mean, seriously, I have always used a machine. Like, it's literally giving me an arm workout at this point because every week I have to like wash like at least 10 to 15 clothes, and trust me, it's actually frustrating. Like, the way I'm talking is actually the way I feel right now. The laundry still isn't here. They said that they're gonna bring it like in a week, hopefully. But yeah, I'm still struggling. Still haven't washed my jeans because trust me, I can wash everything like lowers and t-shirts, but definitely not jeans because it gets very heavy and I cannot wash them. Like, no. So yeah, I'm still struggling with that. And then the next thing that I am frustrated about is like something you guys would actually relate to. It's actually the number of words that have been mentioned in the very first week of my university. Presentations, assignments, MSTs, ISTs, ESTs, practicals, case studies, group presentations, a lot. There's a lot, and it's all very confusing. And I think like a lot of you guys who are in your first years and first sems are facing that right now, and I feel you guys like, yeah. Another frustration I want to talk about is the amount of stairs I've climbed in this university is making me question my own leg strength. And like, seriously, my classes happen on the sixth floor, then the fourth floor, and then my parent department. I had to go to like the eighth floor, then I came back to the sixth floor. It is insane. At this point, I don't even need a gym. Like, just let it be. I'm having my own leg workouts without even like going to the gym at this point. So, yeah. Now, the first week was all actually about just orientations and introductions, and the point I would like to add in this is that the ratio of relevant things to the irrelevant things is very less. Like, we got to learn more about the university than about our subjects. That's a fact, and I think it happens into every other university or college. Like, come on, it's like very universal. But yeah, that's what happened. The food here, honestly, so far it's good, which I would say touch wood. It's good so far. I'm telling myself not to jinx it, but I just have to tell you guys that the food is good, right? So yeah, the food in this hostel is pretty good so far. Next, I would talk about the people here. Now, most of them I've met are pretty friendly because my roommates, I have a good bond with them, like in just like a week. So I can tell you guys that there are good people here. And of course, if there are good people, there are very weird and strange and utterly unreadable people here as well. And I have found that out in just a single week because you're gonna find such many species that you're gonna question your own existence at this point. You're gonna question your own values and beliefs, like what the heck, like that. So yeah, be ready for that. I found that out in just a week, like simply just a week, and I know, like, yeah, a lot in just a week, and about to face that for like 4 years. But anyways, we're not gonna get into too deep on that because we still have like a whole year ahead of us for the first year, right? So, but I have met a lot, many kinds of people so far. As for the hostel, we are having a lot of fun here because it's very newly made, so the facilities here are actually better than the other hostels because we have like 24 hours AC, we have a good room, a very clean room. Actually, the reason is that we keep it clean, that is the main thing. That if we don't keep it clean ourselves, then what's the point? So right now we are keeping it very clean. And yeah, I still don't have a phone stand. I'm using a very weird setup. I'm using my tote bag and my water bottle as like a stand, which is, yeah, jugaad. Jugaad pe zindagi kaayam hai, guys. So yeah, that's about it. That's what I wanted to tell you guys about. And I'm very grateful that like a lot of people here, like who actually watched my video, they told me that they like it, and I love you. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing as well, guys. I mean, thank you. So yeah, if you guys are like loving this channel, the vibe of it, the vibe of me, don't forget to subscribe. Like, come on, subscribe, guys. You'll be notified when I post because I'm trying to be more consistent. And maybe I'm thinking of uploading a weekly vlog because it will be like a longer video. As I said, that phones aren't allowed in the class, so that's why I can't film like a whole day and just let it be because it won't be a very long vlog. But I want to film a very long vlog, so I'll make it. And a lot of study vlogs are also on the way because I have my exams on 24th of August, which is technically my mom's birthday as well. But yeah, my MSTs are going to be from 24th, and vlogs, we're gonna have exam season vlogs. And yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy all of them. And also tell you about something which is very different from like every other department here, because our foundation, which is the third, like EF3, we have our holidays on Mondays instead of Saturdays. So we are like free on the Sundays and Mondays, and the rest of the departments are free, mostly free on Saturdays and Sundays for the first semester. Honestly, I don't get it, but at least we are getting like 2 days of rest. So I think I'm okay with that at least. I know this is new for a lot of people here because this is the very first time that we are hearing a lot of things, that studying in university is very different from school. You have classes from the morning till like 4 5 in the evening, which is an insane amount of classes, like 7 to 8 classes. Each can be of 2 hours, you don't know, and just a lunch break in between. It's very hectic, but of course I'm trying to manage it, and hopefully you guys are also succeeding in managing your schedules, your timetables, and I wish you all the best, and I wish myself all the best at this point because I really need it. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.